English Lavender. This is my second most favorite perennial in my entire garden. Stick around to the end to discover my number one favorite. So lavender has such an amazing, intoxicating scent and is very long blooming. Every single day from June to August, I go out to my garden and I pinch a piece of lavender and rub it between my fingers and relish its beautiful calming scent. You can use homegrown lavender for so many things, including recipes, fragrance, home decor, relaxation, and healing. I'm going to explore some of these options this summer. It attracts pollinators, it is resistant to deer and rabbit, but please note it is not safe for cats and dogs to eat. If you're looking for more beautiful plants, click the flower to subscribe and check out this next video.